Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dewanshi Shukla. How are you all? Rainy season is going on, so I thought why not draw a painting on rainy season. So today I draw a beautiful dancing couple in rain. So I hope you enjoy this video. Now I draw the inside area of a window with dark and light sky blue colors. Now I giving a shadow with dark blue color. Now I draw the outside area of window. As you can see, first we draw the base area of outside, and now I draw road light. With dark color. After making this, we draw a garden chair in garden area. It's look beautiful. Given some shadows, light dark color. I draw a tree. After this, now I draw a fallen umbrella. On land. With red color, as you can see, and giving some shadow, water shadow. Now I draw beautiful dancing couple. I use only brushes to draw sketches in my painting. If you want, you can Sketch firstly with your pencil, and after that you draw these sketches for any perfection. Now our dancing couple are complete. Now I draw window. Dark blue color. I draw other side of window. I give a blendy look. You can say it's a rainy look for window. I draw cup of coffee. It's look nice in this painting. So now our painting is almost completed, and you to enjoy this rainy season and very take care of yourself, your loved ones. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If yes, please like, comments and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting me. You can also join with me Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. ID gives on your screen. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.